back. Got a beautiful day today. Got a lot of cars to show you. Let's get to it. It's a 2016 Ford F-150. It's an XLT. It's an extended cab EcoBoost V6 tow pack. Factory chromes, one owner, folks. Commercially owned, serviced religiously with tons of detailed service. Not a speck of rust, never smoked in, no accidents, perfect Carfax, and she's a lady and a half, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect right here. Starting down payment on this lady is $1,595. This is a 2016 four-wheel drive EcoBoost Ford F-150 XLT, hardtopper, trailer tow pack, backup cam, premium sound, sync technology. It's the Das Cleveland way, folks. See you soon.